If you're looking for a great free Excel alternative, it's hard to beat Google Sheets. Sheets looks and functions very similar to Excel, but can be accessed online through your Google account, allowing for easy collaboration and cloud saving. If you're already familiar with using Excel, switching to Sheets is a breeze, but not everything is where you might know where to look. If you're looking to implement a drop-down list in Google Sheets, you've come to the right guide. To create your drop-down list, you'll need to start by selecting either the cells or the column you want to add your list to. Either drag your mouse along the selected cells or click on the heading of your selected column or row to highlight every cell listed. With your cell selected, click on Data at the top of the screen, then select Data Validation. In the pop-up menu box, double-check your cell range, then click on the Criteria drop-down menu. From this list, select from the options listed to best fit the list you're building. Each of these gives you the option to add specific criteria for your list, with options like dates, numbers, and more. Before closing out of this menu, you can check the box giving you the option to show validation help text, and to add help text as a guide. Click Save, and the drop-down list should now appear as a small arrow icon inside your selected cells. You might want to create a second sheet within your document for your drop-down list's data, especially if you're creating a customer-facing sheet. That way, you can separate the user from the data while keeping your main spreadsheet clean and tidy. To do this, create a separate sheet to put your data in, then repeat the steps as before to select your cells. Head back to Data Validation, then add the cell coordinates on your main sheet where you want your list to appear. Select List from a range next to Criteria, then manually enter the cell range containing the data you want to include in the drop-down list. Alternatively, you can click the cell box next to List from Range and drag your mouse to enter the data range. When you're finished, click OK and hit Save. Your drop-down list will appear in the cell coordinates on your first sheet that you selected in cell range. Protect Sheet 2 by selecting Data, clicking on Protected Sheets and Ranges, selecting Sheet 2 after listing your description, and clicking the Set Permissions button. If you'd like to customize your list, adding color is the way to go. To add color, start by right-clicking the cell with the drop-down list, then select Conditional Formatting. Click Is Empty from the Format Rules drop-down menu, then use the paint bucket icon on the pop-up on the right side of your screen. Choose a color and click Done. If you want to delete or edit a drop-down menu, just highlight the cell containing it, go to Data Validation, click Remove Validation or Make Edits, then click Save. By default, Sheets doesn't allow other people to make edits on your document, so remember to use the Share menu in the upper right corner to add editors to your spreadsheet. If you liked this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering Google Sheets and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.